WSK Rzeszow Limited has a 60-year tradition of foundry and machining. The company makes machined and rough castings for customers in the automotive industry, energy, railroad, machine building, and for manufacturers of tractors and agricultural machinery. Its products go to more than 50 customers in Europe and America. In its pursuit of continuous improvement, ZM for many years has cooperated with scientific and research centers, among others Kraków University of Science and Technology, Silesian Polytechnic, Warsaw Polytechnic. ZM's design office has capability for both castings and machined components. Foundry tooling design capability and use of computer simulation of casting processes can significantly reduce the lead time of new projects' development. WSK has fully equipped laboratory for metallurgical testing and evaluation of the chemical composition, material structure and mechanical properties of iron, steel, aluminium, nickel and magnesium alloys. Laboratory tests can be divided into two groups: approving incoming material and certifying finished products, and untypical analysis related to the startup of new products, expertise of problems reported by foundries, and laboratory services for external customers. The Iron Foundry produces castings of grey and modular cast iron, castings of high complexity with many cores such as gearbox housings for tractors, engine and turbocharger elements for locomotives, compressor housings for industrial cooling devices, forklift trucks elements and parts for solar energy systems. The foundry specializes in the production of castings with the most severe functional requirements and of difficult technology by applying a wide range of alloys. Their production is performed on 2 automated lines and a manual molding cell. The production capacity of the Iron Foundry is 24,000 tons per year. The Aluminium Foundry was the first metallurgical department of WSK. Practical experience of generations of employees is supported today with the most modern technological processes. ZM's Aluminium Foundry uses 3 technologies: gravity die casting, low-pressure die casting, and sand casting. Annual production capacity of the Aluminium Foundry is 4,000 tons. Castings include tanks for turbocharge, air coolers for trucks, elements of heat exchangers and engine brackets for cars, gas-insulated switchgear for high and medium voltage power installations, among others. The low-pressure die casting line is equipped with specialized machines used for high-volume production of automotive parts and for production of complex castings with sand and metal cores. An assessment of the internal casting structure is made by a state-of-the-art X-ray system. Relevant strength properties of the castings are achieved during heat treatment. This process is subject to continuous control of parameters. It is fully automated and its parameters are saved and stored in an electronic database. Basic requirements for castings are functional properties. They are checked according to the customer requirements at various stages of production. ZM's machine shop is equipped with over 80 modern CNC machines and is expert in the machining of aluminium and iron castings. Measurements of the parts manufactured at each stage of production guarantees full control over the production processes. Before parts are shipped to the customer, they are subject to rigorous testing on specialized workstations under supervision of certified staff. In a vacuum chamber, part is filled with helium, which allows precisely defined possible leakages of casting. Same device is used for a pressure test of design strength. Separate station allows to test the strength of castings for pressure leak tests. The machine shop includes washing machines and a new semi-automatic painting department. Large practical experience, supported by the implementation of modern technologies in the process of designing and manufacturing, has enabled ZM WSK Rzeszow to grow and contributed to the current strong position of the company in the most demanding sectors of industry.